Brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing another unboxing, and this time it's a card game that I bought today. Actually, I've never heard of this before, never seen it played, don't know anything about it, but it looks interesting. This is it, Incohearent. Yes, guess the gibberish. Parental advisory because of explicit content. So this is what we have. Each card has a combination of words on the front that look like nonsense, but when recited out loud they sound like the hidden phrase on the back. Try reciting "First stew hurled prop plums" out loud. Can you hear the hidden phrase? Listen closely. First stew hurled prop plums. First stew hurled prop plums. First world problems. So that's how that works. So first stew hurled prop plums, as you say it quicker and quicker and quicker, and whatever sounds like the phrase first world problems. So you have to compete to decode the hidden phrases before the timer runs out. So in here we have 500 cards, one timer and instructions. It's for ages 17 plus, 2 to 20 plus players, and takes 20 to 40 minutes to play. So we'll get our knife of opening. Oops. Go on, don't tell them. Couldn't get it then. Come on. What happens when you cut your fingernails? You can't get on with anything. There we are. So here we have the inside of the box. Ta-da! This is from the people who brought you What Do You Meme? I got this at Christmas, and I haven't done an unboxing for that one because we decided to play it, and decided to play it because I got it for my Secret Santa at the game store. But I will do a quick look at video very soon and let you see what's in there. But this is the rules. So you've got a free-for-all for smaller groups or squad up for bigger groups. Now this is basically every person for themselves and team play. So this gives an overview of it, the categories, the types of play, and that's it. It's just that's the rules. So it looks easy. So here we have the timer. There we are. And it's one of those kind of things where the sand goes. No, it's like a classical egg timer. Pop that back. And here we have the cards. I'm going to show you an example from one of each section. And the sections are, first off, blue, and let's zoom in a touch so we can see better. So that is the front of the card. Fizz-dub humbing. Fizz-dub humming. Fizz-dub humbing. Fizz-dub humbing. And what it actually means is fist pumping. So you get a hint on the back, and that's the only hint you can give, apparently. Fist up humbing. Fist up humbing. Fist. I don't see that from there, but never mind. I'll pop that on. And this is from the pop culture category. Chest who wit, 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 chest who wit. Nope, just do it. There we are. And it says Shia LaBeouf's advice for any given situation. Chest to it, chest to it, chest to it. Yeah, I see it now. It's one of those when you see it, it's kind of obvious. And this one, the red one, is from the kinky section. Kid hang might dig wed. 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 I've not a clue what that could be. Yes, there we are. A bro-y where you're saying you're having or about to have intercourse. Yes, I'm not going to go into that on this particular channel, but there we are. That is an example of each of the three categories, and I got this because I was asked to bring a silly game for next week's Games Club evening, and I thought you probably couldn't get much sillier than this, so I thought I'd give it a try. And you can actually see which categories are which from the edges here, because you can see there's the blue, there's the red, and there's the yellow. There's a heck of a lot of pop culture cards in there compared to the others, but everything fits in rather nicely. The instructions sit in there, and there we have it. Yes, so that's Incoherent. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.